Wasted Channing Tatum.
All right, let's get it. So first thing what do we do? All right, let's go to workspace. Now projects, Lima, and let's take a look at this. So what? Why? Just says line 26. Path interaction. Non-function. Wait, I think I know. Wait, do laser sync. Because we updated the new view. But we haven't updated. For example, Mason. See? So many updates. Okay. Then this is I need npm. Honestly, I'm fine with that. Can you open Mason again? Okay, leave me the fuck alone. See? Problem solved. Okay. So I found out there's nothing. Okay. So just do wrapper. Okay. Something you cannot do on Mac is apparently this you cannot do on Mac. Don't know why. I think that, yeah, this is my stuff now. What otherwise happening? I think so. Oh, okay. That's the host name, starting. See what I mean? It's kind of doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over and over again. The killing script. There you go. And then you have the login, and here you're just gonna throw the fake fucking things. Okay, I say that's it for now. Let's try something interesting. Can we do Control Z on this guy? Can you do? Can you do Lima? Yeah. Then you do pt2 version. Okay. Python 3. There you go. Python 3. What was it? I believe it's HTTP 8080. Right, how is it? Let me look here in the corner. Python HTTP Python module HTTP. What was it? Import module status. I don't want to do all that. Oh my fucking god. HTTP standard library. Right. Start Python module. CLI, what was it? How to launch server online of code. Man, what a bullshit. You do server. Okay. Here then you do localhost 8000. Looks like. Okay. How about this? FJ, yeah. How the hell do I solve this? Wait, how about this? So put lemma, you put just do like real quick. Kubernetes Nginx pod. Okay. Apply. Brother, just give me the fucking thing, man. Oh my god, I'm not doing all that. One state, yeah, from the official docs. There you go, yeah. So just do cd temp, vi. There's vi, yeah, okay. I forgot that one. Copy, no, just do nginx, apply, YML, and then you do, oh, you have, yeah, nginx label. Okay, then you do kubectl, apply the file, nginx deploy, created, nice. Then you do okay, get pod watch running, okay, good. Now you do, honestly, I forgot the port, so we're just gonna use this. Port rating available on the host, about 8000. There you go. I do local host 8000, because if this works, I don't care. Fuck, doesn't work. Doesn't work. So they broke lemma, kurwa. I was able to do that before. That's interesting. Can we do, just do q curl localhost 8000 about this. No, it's also not working. Okay, that's interesting. Connection refused. Oh man, do I really have to troubleshoot that? I don't want. But then it's like, so it's only valid while you have it? Okay. How about this? Too much of an issue. There you go. See, this is working. but here is not working. Fucking great, but I didn't know it doesn't serve after. Yeah, doesn't serve after. That's interesting. Okay. How about this? How about this? How about this? Can we take this? Let me see. Let's go with the GA. So inside, you wanna do your thing. You have to troubleshoot something else. Why? Why is it like this? Much work. VM.io. But I'm not gonna lie, this is giving me depression. Where is the no here issues? Watch, only me in the entire world is having this issue. Oh, there you go. Stop destroying GA on case agent to reconnect. Okay. Yeah, there's a bunch of messages like this. Error unavailable. Written from. No, that's not the one I have. Oh, unavailable connection. Broken pipe. Port 4 has not been functioning properly since the introduction of gRPC. With interface. Sometimes available on the host. External driver. Check 11. Oh my god. Why code reviews? Brother. You could just issue file changes. Okay. Okay, whatever. Okay, I don't care. I decided I don't care. Yeah, this is 2.11. Can I go back to a previous version? This is March 2.1. Oh man, why is it not working? User local bean. Okay. I'm like, what? This is 2.11. Okay. What about... C'est quoi? Mais ça, c'est quoi? No, you don't have the other. fuck? Okay, brother, listen, we're gonna worry about that later. Alright, for now, let's proceed with this motherfucker. And I forgot to... Okay, delete ftemp nginx deploy. There you go. Alright, let's proceed as it was. Okay, so where are we? If I go... where am I? That's my question. I think it was dev Linux. No. Dev Linux. There you go. Its status. Okay. I don't think I'm using this file because I didn't commit yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to source lemma and then wait, I think I remember. So it was vim from the host and then oh, so the ceilings is still there. Okay. I don't, yeah, do I have, I think I have push, yeah, I have. Data config and vim, and then you git status, git stash list. Yeah, I don't want that. Git stash, was it rm? And then you just do, I don't get it. Moving the mouse is causing that? Never in my life I saw that. No. Yank this motherfucker. Of course. About remove. Okay, then I don't know. What am I doing? Clear, okay. Drop. Yeah, of course. Drop 0. There you go. Yeah, boy. There's eyeglass is nothing. Alright, pop. Yeah. Okay. So what do we do? Now we do the lemma. But we sometimes gonna need a second one, so yeah. Alright, so alright, let's see if did we implement this stupid exception. Which file was that? Kernel. Okay. Yeah, see? We implemented this for 9 RSA bunch of stuff. MF move. Okay. Seems yes. There you go. So yeah, we are actually memory location. Unless there's a is there a second one? What is this? But these two are kinda related, no? Yeah, hello world. And then yeah, right and 3. I like how I put the right and 3, but I didn't put the volatile. Are we done or no? This. Oh man. Okay, got it. And I have this sleep. Oh boy, yeah. So this is in, okay. But for example, I don't see the, yeah, read, right. I just put it at the top, okay. Good, and then kernel, C, should be there then. Just a bunch of shit. Don't remember this. Git log. See? Wait. How we already added the exception if I don't see this? Oh, maybe he said to remove. Seems we already done this. Log page. Log. Yeah. Log page. Hey, so we're done. Oh yeah, brother. Almost there. All right, let's keep going. It's funny. I don't see that one. Hold on. Can we do git diff head 2? What's it? Panic attribute a bunch of shit. No, I genuinely didn't write that. Okay, that's interesting. Did he write this one? I think I saw on his, and I was like, you know what? Let me not do that. Yeah, see, he doesn't have. I was like, what the fuck? So why would he say to write something that we don't need? No. And shit's so funny. All right, let's go. Process. Process an instance of applications. Process has its own independent execution context and resources, such as virtual addresses. Okay, whatever then. Note. Practical practice system provides execution context and separate calls are called a thread. For simplicity in this book. Okay. Process control block. Following structure defines a process object. It's also known as PCB. I think I heard about this. Define multiprocess unused process. Okay, runnable process one. And then process ID, the state, yeah, stack pointer. No, we're gonna have a Stack Overflow. No. Okay, just do this. Kernel. I don't care, brother. Where put this? I can put here. Remember the choice for the split. Reload configuration. Reload configuration to show this prompt again. Okay. I don't know what happened. Is it actually formatting? Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. Good stuff. We can do the following. We can put this one. Just go 20 above. Yeah, it goes like yeah. Alright, so 24 we can just do, then 3. Fuck. There you go. We don't need these stupid comments. Do we have comments anywhere? Only if it's like some fuckery, for example, like this. Like, what the fuck? But this. Oh, this is the stack. But it says virtual address. Do we have this definition? We don't. Okay, let's see. Okay. Kernel stack contains CPU register, return address where it call from local variables. Return the kernel stack which process will come from context switching by 7. I started the CPU registering and switching the stack pointer. Sure. Let's assume I understand what that means. Let's go. There's another approach called single kernel stack. Instead of having kernel stack for each process, so tell per CPU. This where to start the program contact. If you also talk, it's got hasting content. Program layer is like go. Alright, try searching stack list. I think if you enter. Yeah. It's like it's a good idea, but I don't think it impacts that much in my day to day. So for now, let's just keep going. If I'm gonna have any questions, maybe I can come back to this, and that's it, right? Let's go. So context switching. Switching the process execution context is called context switching. This switch context. Following switch context function as implemented is the implementation of context switching. Okay, then you have call save. Register. Stock space for 13 4 bytes. Okay. Save. Kali save to just only. Switch the stack pointer. Okay, switch stack pointer. Yesterday. Pop 13 bytes from the stack. So as I understand, this is like you have one process running, then you switch to another to allow the other to run, that type of shit, right? Switch context, save the Kali register. Oh yeah, but let's add to the file. We can just come here. Where are we gonna add this sucker? I'm assuming it's shorter. So we're just gonna paste here. There you go. What the fuckery? What the fuckery is this? Yeah, you can just. Yeah, are you? How about this? There you go. Right. But again, I don't know why. You don't just do this. Yeah. Then you have that void. Well, void has to end with a return, but whatever. Switch content. Let me open your stupid brother. Wait, shut up. Go. Hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Simply beautiful, isn't it? Calise register. And where should that call to function with? Return before. Must restore before returning. Risk B S0 class 11. Calise register. Other register. Unlike A0. Not caller. So, okay. Sorry, but I don't see A0 here. I see RA. Okay. This is right contact is handle part of only handles only part of register. Link it to the compartment doesn't need any call. Yeah, we know that. I should work with around this. RGB is good for crystal and the behavior, especially when you modify the stack point on miner. I'm wondering, do I just run or I mean technically nobody's calling this function, so whatever. Call conversion comparison rate. Call base for this convention. Okay, next. Let's implement percentualization. Yeah, that's what I said. Create process. Take center one as parameter and turn the pointer to the created process. Right. Why are you here? Why are you here, girl? I wonder what she thinks. Why are you digging? What's up, girl? What's up? Why are you fighting? Oh. All right, let's sit down for this. What OS? We creating our own. Do you see this shit? Do you think I understand any of this? What the hell is a content switching for a process? We're making our own. It's from a book. It's from a book. You have the address here, I think. Let me see. You should have. Kind of small. It's from a book. Just go. Oh, go here. This is bigger. NUTA and then operating system 1000 lines. Just search online, my guy. In the meantime, I'm gonna continue. Oh, let's go. We're gonna make our own shit. Fuck Microsoft. All right, so it takes entry point as parameter and returns a pointer to the created process struct. Okay, let's pretend we understand this. Yeah, this is what? A stack of, not a stack, but a struct, yeah, struct of the procs, number of procs. Okay, then you create a process. Finally, use control structure. Okay, we're just going through this and then proc unused. I think we have that in the definition. Yeah, see, I remember this shit. There you go. This is the unused. If you define, I think you change that later, yeah? Blah, 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 +1. There you go. No, wait, this is runnable. Uh-oh. Brother. Okay, let me find, okay, loop over, this array, whatever. Then you find. And start. Ah, okay, so you just check if the state of this is 0. Okay, that makes sense. And then you get the thing and then you break the loop. Okay. And then if not, we panic. No more free slot. Let's try it out. Can we do the following? Where the hell do we put this? Brother, it didn't specify. Oh. I'm assuming on main. What else? And then this is the sweepy swappy. Right. And initialize the fields. So then proc the reference we got from here. Yeah, we have the PID of I. Oh, because you initiated outside of the loop. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay. Yeah, because you're gonna have it, you're not gonna bypass it. Ah, that's interesting. Okay. And then just add +1 on this guy. Okay. Then you just put the state. Wait, state is an ID? No way. That makes so much sense. That makes so much sense. Okay. And then this is a stack pointer that you just initialize. Out of what? Oh, out of this. Oh, okay. That's why you did this bullshit. Okay. And then you return the proc, which is this. And then if proc equals no, that means we didn't find. Okay. This is a little bit more intentional. I like this. I like this. An alternative to this would be like to check the current size, but I think this is defined by by this, yeah. So you could just initialize it, and the more you put it, the more you do it. Yeah, you can do some stuff like that. Okay, let's go. Let's proceed and create my own OS because I am a fucking nerd. If we go Why are you sleeping with your leg up? Hmm? I swear to God. Alright. Okay. So let me think. You don't call this? Yeah, this one doesn't call. Okay, whatever then. So we can put. Oh man, we have so much shit. Oh, I try so hard, but my code is now spaghetti. Also, hold on a second. Are we defining a struct? How that work? Oh, no. This is a function of the. Oh my god. That's why I don't like C. That's why I don't like C. So many options to shoot yourself in the foot. Go here. Oh yeah, he touched that. I'm like, what the hell? Okay. Just go here. Based on what? If it was based on anything, it would make sense, right? All right, find the. Yeah, we kinda. Do we need this? It's like you don't know that this is. Even my dumbass knows. Go here. Yep, go here. I think this is readable. You don't need this. Yeah, this is bullshit. You can leave. This is like, oh, okay, whatever then. Initialize fields. Look, you can stay here, but stop moving like a bitch. Okay. Initialize the fields. You don't need that. Wait, for real? Is this how Google writes code for real? Give some space, no? Oh, fuck me then. That's why I don't write in C. Okay, I think what? Oh, and then yeah, then you have to call this stupid fucker. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, so this one. Like for just putting like this. No way. Do nothing. There. Pro as proc entry starting a process. Put char R. Then just switch the context, and then process D. Okay, and then you create a process A, then process B, and then you have a proc entry. Ah, this one. Okay. Meh. Unreachable here. Let's go. Not gonna lie, I'm learning a little bit. Just a little bit, not much, but I'm understanding a little bit. So that's okay. Copy this, come here, and then you go. After all of this, still gonna keep the previous one because, fuck it. Unless... What does it do? Because I don't want to have like extra code that does nothing. Okay, let's make sure we are on the same page. All right, so you do. No, you come here. Honestly, just do a new one. Yeah. There you go. All right, so this is. Oh, I thought you put here. File. You didn't put it here? Oh, there you go. Yeah. See, even he doesn't highlight the comments. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is kernel pages. Oh no. Okay. Yield. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, I don't see this. Be fair. Whatever. That's fine. But I think it's here. Alright, and then this stays there. I don't really care. Alright, there you go. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah, then we run. Let's get it. Just the entry functions. Yeah, yeah, it's some while loop and then it's putting characters. Oh yeah, it's alternating. Okay, got it. Okay, function. Respectively. After defining a single. Yeah. Which are function exactly. AC to the other. Then there's delay, incremental visual weight. To present the character output has become from becoming too fast. But this what? Is this what kind of unit is this? Brother, why? Brother, why? He's so afraid, I don't know why. Go here. Go here. Go here. Exactly. And sit there. There you go. Put your ass over there. There you go. Goodbye. Is it millisecond? Okay. For the left Hong Kong, for the right. Responsive. Long frame. To prevent compile optimization from removing the loop. Oh. Let's try. So that message will be displayed. Once. Wait and then lasts forever. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I don't want it to last forever, right? Because that's just a unit. Let's do the following. Yeah, but how do you do this validation? You know what? I would do while. Can we do this? Can I showcase my what? I guess I cannot. Hold on. Wait, maybe it's the while like this? Brother, I don't know the while loop anymore. Damn. I don't know shit. Do while see? For real? I forgot. Oh my fucking god, I actually made it, but I forgot. Yeah, I just did this for here. Paste. I forgot this. Huh? Right? I know. There you go. See? I forgot. Okay. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, another thing I want to do while and then 0. So it just runs once instead of instead of forever. All right, let it burn, let it rip. Permission denied. Why am I getting permission denied? Okay. Chmod to my user. Okay, let it rip now. Brother, what happened? Are you not supposed to run this? Oh shit, I think I fucked up. Wait. Okay. I fucked up. Which Silang? CC. That makes sense. Okay. How about this? Yeah, we have bash, I think. Go back and then you do make and then -h. -h not found. Depths. Unable to open log. Permission denied. Yo, I thought I know my project. What? Make. I see. What? Today is cat day, right? Today is cat day. Sit your ass over here. Sit your ass over here. Why is it not working? You receive whatever you receive, you call, and then you execute. Oh, maybe because I'm with my user. Do us. What I want, right? This is what? This is what? Stop pairing. All right. So you just do. Okay. So. Okay. So permission denied. So do as bash backwards make, and that's there you go. I'm like, what? There you go. 44 dependencies, QMU. Hell yeah, brother. I think that's it. In that case, we need this file. Right? Right, Kitty? I think we need this file if we set it up like this. All right, can you do bash run? That's hell yeah, brother. Okay, and it worked. Okay, I'm just scared of putting code here, but I would do the following. I would do here, just do some like int I equal 0. Yeah, of course you have to do this, right? And then how was it? I forgot how to check the error. I think it was. Yeah, you have to be on the line. Yeah. You can. You can. You can ignore. Yeah. Okay. You can ignore. All right. Yeah. Let's see if this is gonna work. So you just do I, and then they both. Just do I plus post, and actually you don't need that, huh? Hold on. Since they switching, you just do here. What was it? I think the name was. I think it was short. Oh yeah, see, I remember my shit. Okay, so here you just do where I don't know. Let's equal them 10. But if you panic, why you not exiting? Because this bitch doesn't respond. Okay, let's do PSX. Okay, so PQ, run, no, run SH, no. Fucking bash. Thank you. Just keep it like this. Come here. And let's run it again. Yeah. It says B starting. I guess I am a dumbass. Okay. Okay, so then you do 5 like this. Okay. Get in there. PQ that bash. PQ that bash. PQ that. Yeah, it's alive. Brother. Oh, I know. PQ. QMU. PQ QMU. Haha. Okay, get on my face. Alright, so then you do bash run. There you go. I don't think this is being respected at all. That's way more than 10. Alright, whatever. It works. Close this. Is it enough to comment? Oh, now read. Kill that motherfucker. Alright, then you can close. And you just keep going back until this. Why are you scratching me, porra? There you go. That's the same. Just to make sure. Okay. Why you remove? Go back here. Okay. Unused parameter. Handle trap. Yeah, this is not being used at all. What the hell? 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 Yeah, and it was defined before. This is earlier line. What the fuck? What's happening? Big ass nose. Big ass nose. So you just come here. You jump on my lap, and that's it. There's nothing I can do to it. Okay. Whatever then. All right. So scheduler. In the previous experiment, we call switch context directly. To specify the function. I like how it runs away. Fuck you, I'm gonna run away. In the previous experiment, we called the switch context. We called the switch context function to specify the next process to execute. However, this means we can complicated undetermined. Determining which process switch to switch next as the number of process increases. Okay. Because I was like, okay, maybe the process need to request that, hey, can I get a turn? You know, I thought that was the case. Okay. Yeah. However, this method becomes complicated when determining which process switch to solve this issue. Let's implement a scheduler. You don't even know what's scheduler. What's a scheduler? See? You don't know. Let's implement a scheduler, a kernel program decides which which decides the next process. Okay. Okay. Yeah. The following yield function. Well, we didn't have this before. No. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Yield function often is that the name for the API which allows giving of the CPU to another process voluntarily. Okay, so I bet this is going to be here. So the process A, process B is going to be this one. Can just remove that and then copy all of this. I think we replaced this, right? But I didn't see that in the final thing. Search for runnable process. Okay. Let's see. So, from the loop, let me close this. From the loop. Then you find. Yeah, this not gonna lie. This I don't understand. Porra. I don't know what you want. Proc scanning process. Okay, so you get the current process. Then you are getting the PID. Okay, because it's a struct. I'm like, what the fuck? Where did you get that from? Yeah, okay. So you're just getting the ID from the struct, and then you add in the number of, okay, the current number of whatever. Modulo max. Okay. Oh, modulo. Wait, but this is modulo on the total number of process. I thought this will be enough. Why are we moduling? Plus you have 0. What? But then you're creating a new object out of that. Procs. Honestly, not gonna lie. I forgot what the hell is a proc. Procs. Yeah, that's even worse because if you're getting the reference, yeah, you're getting the reference for the array that has the processes. Why? You could just access directly. No. Then you're getting. Unless, hold on. This is returning the entire reference. Okay, I see. Okay, then you have runnable and PID greater than 0. Hang on a second. I thought this would be enough. Unused. Unused process control structure. All right, let me look here. See, to create a process, you just get in the reference and then that's it. Ah, okay. It will never be 0. Okay. But if it will never be 0, why do you have a check? Makes no sense. Plus, although, I mean, we don't know if this is a current process. We're just calling it that. I don't think this appears anywhere. Now, what the hell am I doing? Yeah, some stuff later, but yeah, this is the, we don't know. We just calling this current, but we don't know. Okay. And then we just get the pt2 next. pt2 next. Okay, and then, oh wait, I think this is copying the pointer directly, and this is the reference. Okay, there's no runnable process other than the current one. Turn and continue before proceeding. Here's a better comment. Skip if the only process. If you really wanna, if you really wanna say something, just do that. And then this is context switching, but we don't need a comment for that because that's the entire point of this function. Okay, then you call the context switch. But you call it the context switching again. What was all of that about? Oh, I think I fucked up. Hang on. Okay. Okay. So just do this. Yeah, then you yield, but you're still calling direct. I don't got it. Okay. Now the prev is the current process. Okay. Then I see. Then prev next. I think I get it. But what I don't understand is, since you have this too, take a look at this. This guy, yeah, it's not defined anywhere. Oh, so the next set will always be empty. Okay. What's wrong with doing this? What's wrong with doing this? Because it seems you don't care about the next one. I don't know. Whatever. Maybe it's gonna be used somewhere else. I don't get what they're fighting. Why you fighting? Bitches. Lama. Whatever, bro. Let's go. If A and B in front of before, as before, perfect. All right, let's try. Did you mean press A enter? Alright, let's see. Use of underclass proc A. Okay, good stuff. Line 45. Oh no, sorry. Line 251. Did you forget? Or are we now running? I think you forgot. Alright, so this yeah, this there is it's saying proc A entry. Proc B entry. What? No. Yeah, I thought they received this one, no? Motherfucker. So you don't mean this, you mean this. Okay. But if we swapped okay. So you don't have yield. Okay, I'm assuming hang on a second. I'm assuming we keep the struct. What else? But see, we have this. Okay, whatever. Just fucking do it. All right. Then this is what this is. Yeah, this is note. Procs declare. Okay, let's see. Procs declare. Okay. So that's, yeah, but it's the same. Procs declare here. Okay. There you go. And guess what? It's not fucking working. Right, let me see what I've got it wrong. Oh, that's what he meant. He meant we call the switch context inside. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Then we'll put the char. Yield. Okay. I don't get what exactly what's going on. What's wrong? Wait, let me see. But then my question is, why did they define this as globals if we don't intend to use them? Now this would make sense. So maybe like this. Current proc. Then you have idle proc. They're gonna swap. Sorry. Oh, I'm an idiot. He wrote A, but then he panicked. Oh. Oh. There you go. Why? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not even gonna scroll up. Okay, so this is working fine. Good. Changes in exception handler. But how does this help situation? Saves execution onto the stack. However, since we now use separate kernel stacks for each process, we need to update it slightly. Okay. First store a pointer at the bottom of the kernel stack for the current process executing S scratch register. The process used during the exception handler appendix. Why do we reset? Why do we reset the stack pointer? Do you know? Porra, caralho. I'll send it to your mother. All right. Let me take a break. I'm gonna make some smoothie. I need it. We're back at it again. Oh, damn. All right, let's go. So, changes in the exception handler. Let's go. So, in the exception handler, it says the execution. It says the execution stayed onto the stack. However, since we now have a separate kernel stacks for each. I think I read this. Yeah. Down. Put this before the context. No, this is create process. Yeah, before the context switching. Okay. There you go. Or wait a second. Oh no, I'm an idiot. Wait. Before the entire context is so like here. Yeah. Since the stack point extend towards the lower address. Something I remember. Because we start at the beginning. Huh. Okay. I was thinking maybe start from the end, but then it's like you don't know. Okay. Since stack pointer center to others, we set the others size of next stack. Nth byte as the initial value of the kernel stack. The modification exception handler is as following. There you go. So here. Wait, don't we have this already? It's really stuck on what? It's really stuck of running process from scratch. But I'm doing this. Oh, I mean, it's slightly different because you have RR. Okay. And then you have SP. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So just come here. Okay. Just paste here. Okay. And then on the retrieval, we'll have here. But recipe at the time of execution. But this is the same. I mean, it just added a comment. Do I want a comment? Fine, let's add a comment, I guess. Fine. I guess I'll add the comment. Then you can add this one as well. Okay. Here we. Oh yeah, we back. Okay. And then. Yeah, the person is short is a person is short. Yeah. Yeah, I vaguely remember. So we don't need this cow handle trap, all that stuff, or okay, I'm going to assume we still need. So after we do that, yeah, after we do this, instead of move, no, move is still there. Oh, we just do this. Okay. Okay. Does SP now points to the kernel? not the user. Hmm. Pam. Hmm. As a saver, the kernel stack will restore the original value of b from scratch. And save to the kernel stack. Then we calculate the original value of the s scratch. Okay, that you had before the exception handler called to restore. We are overriding at the bottom of 31 words of the kernel. When we save this register, our supervisor does not support nested interrupt handling, where the CPU enters was the flag handler and kernel on 3. It automatically disables interruption till the user returns to user mode anyway. In any way, the kernel panic when exception occur. A possible approach to handling the nested interruption is to have a separate test device. I don't know what he's talking about. Okay. The point here is that each process has its own independent kernel stack. By switching the context of its scratch during context switching, we can resume the execution of the process from the point it was interrupted, as if nothing happened. Okay? We've implemented the context switching mechanism now for the kernel stack. The stack used by application, so-called user stack, will be allocated separately from the kernel stack. This will be implemented in later chapters. Yeah, you have user mode here. And then appendix. Why do we reset the stack point? In the previous section, you might wonder why we need to switch the kernel stack by tweaking a scratch. This is because we must not stack pointer at the time of exception. In the exception handler, we need to consider the following 3 parts: an exception occurring in kernel mode, exception occurring in kernel mode when handling another exception adds to the exception, or exception occur in user mode. In case 1, generally no problem if we don't reset the stack pointer. In case 2, we would write save data, save the save area. Our implementation triggers at kernel panic on exit. Exception, so it's okay. The problem, with case 3, in this case, SP points to the user application area. Is user application stack area. If we implement it, the use trust SP, it could lead to vulnerability that crashes the kernel. Let's experiment by running the following application after completing all implementations up to chapter 17 of the book. An example of application setting available. Speed triggers exception. Oh, so it just triggers an exception. Okay. You run with the apply modification. First, an invalid instruction or something. Next step, we have not achieved multiple processes concurrently, or realize I'm multitasking OS. However, as it stands, process can freely read and write current memory space. Super insecure. In the coming chapter, we'll look at how safely run application, isolate kernel and application. All right, so let's do the following. If we can run this and it works, I would say that's it. Job well done. Okay. That's it for today. Let's look at the div. Yeah, just a bunch of shit. Okay, then we modify this. Body works. Okay. This code. I would say that's fine. And then this is in kernel. Yeah, that's also fine. Oh, wait. Oh, I thought it was this one. Okay. Run sh. Yeah, just there you go. See, good catch. Okay. I say that's it. Just do a log 3. Okay, then you do added. What did they add? I think we had process execution, yeah? Yeah. Added pro execution. Right? That's what we added. Okay. Let's prepare for what is next. So copy the link. Update here. It's like URL has very little space. That's fine. And then they're gonna take a look at this. Okay. This, for example, is an easy chapter. This is an OK1, and then system calls. This guy, file system and outro. Okay. Something I wanna do. Since we needed this to run, let's start this. To do no. Booting the kernel. So we managed to boot the kernel. Okay. Okay. So just move to the temp. This one. Wait, what I want? Ah, I know what I want. So show me this one. No. Make. I see. Hold on. Can we? Because we just have this. Right? We just have this. But technically, we can. Let me think. Wait. I say I don't see why. Why we cannot do this? Then this is what? 2, right? And then these are the build flags, whatever. Right? This build kernel with the GCC. Then this runs the damn thing. Yep. Okay. No. Okay. At the moment, we don't have nothing to clean. So 7 can also remove. We don't have nothing to test, nothing to debug, at least I don't think so. I think you can just yeah. I think you can just do this. And then you can safely remove this file. How? And then how you just do inside the VM, like oh wait a second, I think you can, yeah, you can do this. Is lima vm.io. How, which button this goes there? Don't know. Inside of a VM file, like lima, okay. Create an alpine image. An alpine Linux guest, and then simply and then you do shell, and then you just do shell dot make a sh. That's it. Execute. Then you do install dependencies, and then you have deps. Dependency as root, right? How you do that? Ask AI, I don't know. And then you have run the no, sorry. And then build the kernel. Then make.sh build. I don't care. Okay, that's it. Then run. What else is there? Run the kernel. Uh, do, do, do. Build and run the kernel. That's it. So, Julema, you just repeat the steps. It said as root, so you do what? You do was. There you go. And then you do as regular user. Let's make message. No such file. Kernel C, whatever. A wait a second. Good question. Should it leave with those pesky guys? Because you have like git ignore. What do you have? Oh my god. You go, see? You have this, you have this, you have that, you have this, you have this, you deal with this, you make code test. I think you're gonna need to download something, no? Yeah, you're gonna need to download the LD. The SD as well, no? Oh yeah, map. Oh shit. Ah shit, that shit, that shit. It's getting started. They do, bro. Echo path. I don't remember doing that. Install development tools. I literally didn't do anything. All we have, elf we have, dot b we have, there's lo, log we have, pickup we have, there we have, slash disk and this skip. Okay, that one I didn't get it. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Risk assembly, function calls, and then so you do this. But wait a second. This is the linker. I had to download stuff, no? Search will be nice. The specification here. Compile. Then that means it has to be here. You have to say this. Maybe in the intro. What the fuck? What is the design called kernel? Hang on. Do we have this here? Uni Linux. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we do. There you go. So, okay, so map and LD will be generated, I think. Okay. So we don't need anything. Hold on. I remember I downloaded something. Am I tripping? Yeah, what is this? Getting started. What? What the hell? It's like it doesn't want to do it or whatever. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, I just need this, then I'm gonna bounce. Oh, there you go. Also download OpenSBI. Okay. But you don't have it. Yeah, you don't call this at all. So why do you need this? Maybe you're gonna need it later on. Or whatever, anyways. Okay. Okay. Install dependencies as root. Then you do this. Okay. Take a look at the take a look at the getting started. Oh my god, getting started guide first. Yeah, I think that's what you need to say. Oh, okay. There you go. First take a look at the getting started guide, then install the dependencies, yeah? And then run the kernel, yeah. Put in a separate line and there you go, yeah. Okay. Now we just run make. Okay, that's a separate issue. Okay, so kernel C and common C are not present. Good point. Good point. Huh. Okay, I say city source. Right. That's it. There you go. Then you do Lima and then PQ, PMU. Then you do something like this. Then you do kill. Yes, I'm doing, you know, so fucking long. P, P kill. Then you do KML. Oh, okay. There you go. Kill the running. Kill the running kernel. Put here, separate terminal. If you only have one terminal, I cannot save you, brother. Okay. So come here, do this here, here. Then you do. What the fuck do I do? Yeah, shall make. Yeah. Oh yeah, it worked. Nice. Then can we do following? Maybe we're not gonna need then you just do kernel.log, yeah. But wait. I know, so you do 1% and then you do t kernel.log. You just override, that's fine. Echo. Interesting. Oh boy. Yeah, just do kernel temp.log. That's it. What else is there? And then I think you're gonna be able to. No. Yeah, there you go. Okay, but the good thing is, can you just take a look? Oh no, that. Yeah, just do head of temp kernel.log. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. I don't know. 25. Yeah, there you go. Then this is I don't know. Put okay, then that's it. Then you do shell, I don't know. Then you can do there you go. Okay. Blah blah blah. Firmware base. 50. Okay. About 75. Okay, 75 is too much. 65. There you go. Then 66. Wait, you don't. Oh, what the hell? 70. 68. Okay. 60. 66. Okay. 64. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go here. Oh my. There you go. There you go. There you go. From BSD, blah blah blah, bunch of shit, blah blah blah. Main region, X address, small. On to main root. Okay, hello world. That's my go. Okay, I say that's it. How they do that? Maybe we can just have this. Right. But you don't need to comment start or build the kernel. Okay. Maybe we're gonna load this whatever later. All right, I think that's it. Git status, git diff. Yada 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 yada, bunch of shit. Okay. So you just do okay. So run was never added? How? Let me see that git ignore again. Not this one. I don't know. Run. sh. Nothing. Okay. Okay. There you go. Now it's a modified run. Only. Oh, okay. So yeah, remove run. Yeah, run got deleted. Then you do add run and then no, move the make here along with the project, right? There you go. Yeah. Now git add. Let's see. Oh, that's it. Just do git add make sh. That's it. That's it. All right. I am out of here. I'm out of here. Because we